Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad K. Sangma Dangshen ha keje kendu yo Menteri ka Tenat Kampo Yeng Amit Shah ulapan Jingkyrshan nagabenta Kejala Meghalaya kaban sapediang ban Pynlong ya ke Lempung yele ka National Games ha usnam arjar arpenyo. Ha ke jingkran bat kila pathai kubor ha ka arpu arterik ukala lingkot arjar pesan Menteri Rangba ulai thu ba Amit Shah ulakular ba unsa a jingaram namar bakat han jatai lamingi kadai hok ban Pynlong ya ke Lempung yele ka National Games.
I had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister. If you remember last time, I had a meeting with the chairperson of the Indian Olympic Association, Madam P.T. Usha. And in that meeting, we had a discussion about the national games being hosted by Meghalaya in 2027. It's happening in Uttarakhand right now. And the next is going to happen in 2027. We have pitched from our side and that we would like to host the National Games 2027. And for that purpose, I had thought that I will meet and discuss this matter with the Honorable Home Minister also. And he gave a very positive response. He was very keen that yes, Northeast deserves to host the National Games after a very long stretch. The last one being, I think, in 2007, if I'm not wrong, or 8 in Assam. And of course, we urge for his support to make this happen and to put in a recommendation or a support from his side to the IOA or whenever the situation arises. And he has assured us of full support in whatever way possible to make the National Games here in the state of Meghalaya.